Dr. Decks here. Today we're doing some job site cleanup, and then we have some posts to mount and some organization, trying to get reset for next week. We got a lot of softening and finish work to do. So follow along and see how we do today. If you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And for those of you that want to learn how to do this, don't forget to check out Dr. Decks' masterclass of deck board bending. All right, let's get to it. Nas, bring some shims. We need a lot of, so we're gonna start by putting the front screws in first. And then we'll take these screws, which are a pretty nice color match, and then we'll screw these screws through this board into the board that we mount to this. Okay. And we just gotta be money on our lines and stuff. So you'll probably be the cut man. I'll probably install. And then on the outside edge where these stick out like this, then we'll put a beauty cap. Probably do that in dark hickory, just so you don't see all these end grains, so we don't have to be 1,000,000%. The other side, we're gonna put a funky angle on it, and we'll put that into the house. Okay. And then it is what it is. And I'll probably set up a scaffolding on short ladders or something, and then I'll just start working my way up. And that one post on the corner is on a funky angle, so that strip, I'm gonna rip it down on a funky angle so it coincides with the other two posts that are standing up. So the first thing is we'll just get our post mounted. Okay. And then we'll put all that together, because for this to be stable, for her to like throw axes at it.
What's this about axes?
Oh yeah, Cant. This used to be where they would chuck axes. They have like some wooden pucks, and they have an axe throwing lane right here. So I told her, that I would create a spot for her to be able to throw her axes against my beautiful brand new deck and not damage it. So we're doing some hideaway privacy screens over here, and we're doing a solid wall of decking right here vertically that's gonna tie off into this roof line. And then I'm gonna fur it out so it gets closer to the outside edge of the deck. And then I'm gonna build her something to be able to hang those pucks on, so that she can throw her axes. And yeah, I guess it's a thing now. Throwing axes is a thing. So we want to be able to do throwing axes on the deck.
So we already installed these posts, but Dr. Nazi, or Nurse Nazi, is coming back and filling them with some clear. So that way it doesn't leak. I don't know if it stops raining, which is not raining today. If you're in California, I wouldn't have this problem. I like Washington, but good Lord.
All right, I was just informed by my cohort Nazi that Martinez is no longer gonna make a titanium square, but I got in early. I was an early adopter, Mark. You know me, you know? So I have a very special limited edition titanium Martinez square. And the reason it's so special, it was one of the first 50 produced. And he intentionally left out the 3 on the 35-degree mark. So it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And where it should say 35, there's a 3 missing. So I've learned to love this square. There's a lot to it that I love. There's only one thing I don't really work with, is that it doesn't fit in my deck board cracks. I use this a lot to square up things when I'm building a deck, and that's just something I'm used to on a standard square. But this square does not do that, but it also has a level in it, so I can do my staircase angles and pitches and find out different angles that way, which is really cool. I can use it over here when we're trying to figure out the angle of what this roof pitch is gonna be. But I just thought it was kind of cool that I didn't realize it until he showed it to me one day. I was at a trade show and he said, yeah, man. He said, this square is very special. Hang on to it because it's missing the 3 on the 35-degree angle. So that means that there's only 50 of these in the world. And I got one of them. And I gave one away. I gave one away on an Instagram giveaway, man. What was I thinking?
Oh. Always have your pencil handy. And if it drops,
Oh. Whoa.
put that on the sizzle reel.
I don't even think I saw the full thing. I was trying to figure out what was going on and film it.
Well, you know, they don't call me Nazi Flash Gordon for nothing.
Always figuring something out. Problem solving 101. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. And for those of you that want to learn how to do this, go check out Dr. Deck's Masterclass. Learn how to bend deck boards just like the pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.